Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how you can insert an image in your Word document. How you can resize it, that also I am going to show you. Then I will tell you how to use wrap text. This is a new thing you are going to learn. And lastly, I will discuss about how to crop an image and make it useful. As you can see, I have already inserted some text in my document and also I have done the page setup. If you don't know how to set up a page in Word, then see my page layout video. I will give the link in the description. So for inserting an image, we have to go to this Insert tab. Now we have to click Picture. And we have to insert any picture of our choice. Insert. See, the picture came into the document. Now the picture is quite large and I have to resize it. How I can resize? You can see these small dots. Okay, so I can drag these dots and I can resize the image. Means I can increase or decrease the size. I can do this with these options also. This is for changing height and this is for changing width. With this up arrow I can increase the height and width, and down arrow I can decrease it. Okay, so whenever I will select the image, means small dots will come, I will get this extra tab format. Whenever I will click outside, I will not get that tab. So first I have to select the image. Now I am going to show you how you can change the wrap text. Wrap text means how your image and text is going to appear in your document. You can see your image reside above the text. So if you want your text to appear here as well, so you have to change the wrap text. For this, you can go to this wrap text and make it square. You can also change your image position from this position tab. Okay, you can change your image position anywhere in the document. And so for showing you the last, I have to zoom it out a little bit. See, this is how you can change your image position. So I'm going to keep this one. Okay, again I'm going to zoom in. So many other options are there in wrap text. Tied, through, top, bottom, behind the text. You can understand this top and bottom means your image and writing will be in the top and in the bottom like this. Okay, so in line with means only at the bottom. In front of text means you can put your image in front of text, behind the text. And what is this tight? So whenever you will select this tight, your writing will come here also. So you can change edit wrap points and you can allow your text to flow with the image as well, like this. Already it is quite done, so you can change little bit from here. So this is how you can format your image and text. So for this option you have to choose a image that is not having any background. Okay, then only you can allow your text to enter in the wrap points. So if you want your text to run here also in between the picture, then you have to choose this through. Okay, So now you can allow your text in between the as well. See? This is how you can allow your text. Here also you can allow. So this is how you can edit your image and text until you are getting your satisfaction. Okay, so these are my option in wrap text, square, tight, through, top, bottom, behind text, in front of text. So I can choose any. So you can also select your default text wrap. For this you have to go to this file and then you have to go to this option advanced. So here you have to choose pasting the same, insert or paste picture as. You can change the default setting. So I'm making it square. Okay, so I want my picture to insert in the text always in square wrap text. So I have chosen the default one. Okay, now if I suppose I want to crop this image. Okay, I do not want this vase or glass. So how I can crop? Again I have to select, then I have to go to this option crop. So after selecting crop, you will get this black lines. You can all see, I think. Okay, so by dragging this line, you can crop your image. So this is how you can crop your image. And again you can change your wrap text. Through it is already. So editing lines I'm going to choose, and now I'm going to allow the text to come over here. Okay. So this is how I can crop the image as well. And this position a little bit. So this is how my picture and text is going to look. I hope you all have understood. Thank you.